Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I have bring together a tutorial of another survey site that if you sign up as from today, you start making money on this survey site. And this great survey site is known as Surveyeah. Surveyeah is an Italian survey site that was founded in February 2014 and was developed and managed by young Italians, and the company was registered in Milan. This Surveyeah is present in 5 continents with active panels in 123 countries around the world. It offers surveys from fashion to cars, from cooking to technology, from home to travel. You will receive surveys on a wide range of topics in line with your profile and preferences. So, when you sign up for an account or for a profile on Surveyeah, a series of questions will be asked so that surveys will be sent to you in accordance to your profile and your preferences. You can complete them where you want, when you want. It can take you just like 15 minutes to answer these questions. So, I'm going to be making a review of how this Surveyeah works, and while making the review, I will equally be signing up for an account and be showing you how you can sign up for a Surveyeah account and how you can fill up your profile by answering all your profile questions. As you can see on the menu bar, when you click on sign up for surveys, you will see the different 123 countries where this platform is actually available. All you need to do is to select your country and sign up for an account. So if your country is not among this list, it means that Surveyeah is not available in your country. But I know that Surveyeah is available in most countries. So when you click on awards, it's going to show you all the different payment methods that Surveyeah pay out its users and the different threshold. As you can see, this is like the country, the language, the currency, the paper threshold, the Amazon threshold, and the Western Union threshold, and so on. These are some of the payments that have been made from this site, and you can see the different countries, different languages. And as you can see with Surveyeah, when you sign up, you begin to receive surveys in your own language, be it in Arabic, in Dutch, in Spanish, in English, in Norwegian, in German, in French, in any language. Once you select your country, it will match you with the corresponding language of your country. So as you can see, these are some of the positive reviews of this site, and I believe this site is a very transparent survey site that if you sign up as from today, you begin to make money. On the profile section, click on sign up for Surveyeah. As you click on sign up for Surveyeah and select your country, all you need to do is to go ahead and register for an account. You need to go ahead and register for an account before you start filling up a profile that matches with your preferences. So I'm just going to go ahead and to sign up for an account with Surveyeah. Let me go back here. They say, okay, when you make money on this site, you can be paid through Skrill, Western Union, MoneyGram, and Amazon gift cards or Amazon vouchers. So I'll click on register to Surveyeah, and as you can see, as I said, this site is an Italian website. As a result, it comes in Italian, as you can see, but there is always an option for you to change it from Italian to your own language that you best understand. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill up a profile and sign up for an account. After I sign up for an account, I'm just going to go over to my Gmail and I confirm the account creation. I'm just going to click on confirm and I confirm my account creation. It will take me now to this section where I will have to fill up this profile so that each time they want to send me surveys, it will be in accordance. So you can equally invite a friend by clicking on invite a friend, and when you do that, somebody sign up using your invitation, you get some points, and those points will be equivalent to some dollars. And as you can see here, it said that when you fill up this profile, you will be able to make 2 points, and that 2 points will be equal to 0.25 euros. So I'll just go ahead now and fill up this profile. These are questions relating to consumers, food, automotive, household consumption, education, video games and computer games, consumer electronics, general public, tourism, smoking, education and all the like. And this profile section is going to take me about 15 minutes. So when I do that, my points will be credited on this section, and the amount in euros as well on this section. So all I need to do now is to go ahead and answer it. I'm just going to do it, to skip this part and do it aside so that it will not take me much time. Then when I'm done, I will just come back and continue from there, so that in your own spare time, as you have created an account, you can go ahead and do the same. As you can see, I have created my profile and I have answered all my profile questions. As you can see, it's 100% automotive, consumer food and beverages, education, household consumption, electronics, hobbies and interests, multimedia and so on. So when you sign up for an account, come over to this section and you try to answer all these questions, and immediately you answer all these questions relating to all the questions that will be asked concerning your profile here, 2 points will be credited to you, and that 2 points will be equal to 0.25 euro, which I will show you soon. As you can see, these are the 2 points right here, which is equal to 0.25 euro. So the more surveys that I take, the more I will make more points and the more money I will make, and I will equally come and see my balance on this section. So make sure you fill out your profile according to your preferences, because surveys will be sent to you based on these questions. So after doing that, let me go over and click on surveys. Each morning or anytime you want to check on surveys, just come over and click on surveys. When you click on surveys, any available survey that is available on the profile, that is available on the site at that moment, will be shown to you on this section. And if you answer the survey, it will go ahead to increase your points, and you equally make much money on this section, as you can see. As you can see, there is a survey available which is 5 minutes, which is equal to 1 point. Immediately I answer this survey, this 1 point will be added to the 2 points that I already have, and my income as well will equally increase. So each time you answer surveys, you make money. Then when I click on awards, so when I click on award, they are going to show me how I will be paid and the minimum threshold for the payment. As you can see, there are different payment methods which Surveyeah pays out. And as you can see, we have PayPal, we have Amazon, and each payment method have a particular threshold that you need to attain in order for you to cash out your money. As you can see, PayPal is $5. Amazon gift card is $10, as you can see right here. So if I make points that are equal to $5, I can cash out using PayPal. And if it's equal to $10, I can use my Amazon, I can convert it to Amazon gift card. As you can see, it's highlighted in red that you don't have enough points yet. So immediately I will have up to the threshold, I will be able to withdraw. You can see this is Skrill. If I have up to $50, I can cash out. This is Western Union. If I have $50, I can cash out on with Western Union, as you can see. So immediately I reach this threshold, this writing that has been written in red will be cancelled and I can now withdraw my funds. So I can equally use MoneyGram to cash out my points. So these are the different payment method. And if I click on historical, the historical is going to show me every survey that I have taken on the platform and how much I have actually earned on the platform, as well as the date and the time in which I took that survey. So as you can see, this is it right here. This is it right here. This is July 12 at 5:45 p.m. I took a survey on profile completion, which was 100%, and I earned 2 points. So each and every survey that I take on this platform, it will be included on this section with the points and the amount that I've made. As you can see, the 2 points was equal to $0.25. So if you find any value in this video, please make sure you subscribe to this channel by clicking on the red subscribe button below this video. Equally turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you get a notification. You can equally share this video with someone so that they can equally take surveys on this great platform and they equally make money.